This is the Triton Omnicare Thermostatic Electric Shower. In this tutorial we'll be looking at changing the pressure relief device that is operated. I'll just demonstrate to you what the pressure relief device will look like. The water will flow down the left hand side below the shower. I've just turned the shower off. Wait for it to stop, go through its phase shutdown. We'll turn the electricity off and remove the cover. When we remove the cover, there's a fly lead on the inside. We need to unplug the fly lead from the socket on the circuit board. Place the cover to one side and note that the pressure relief device is on the left hand side as you look at it, just near the top of the heater can assembly. It's connected to the outlet via a clear plastic tube, which we need to remove for this exercise. Once that's removed, we need a number 1 posi drive screwdriver, and there is 2 screws that we will need to remove. These screws are slightly different from the screws in all the other showers. These ones are machine screwed, whereas the other ones are like self-tappers. So we'll take one out, take the other one out, and once that's loose we can then pull away the old or operated PRD. Here is the body, here's the diaphragm, and just to prove that it is ruptured, I'll just put it on the end of the screwdriver. There you can see it's ruptured. Okay, so what we need to do is replace that one, but just before we do that, I'll just show you the older type of pressure relief device that was fitted in showers a few years ago for quite some time. The new one, as you can see, is all black with the diaphragm on there. So this just fits in back into the slot, and then you need to put your machine screws back in. Can be a bit fiddly to get these in, but once in, it's fine. Get the screwdriver on them and in they go. If they decide to tighten up, just remove it again and start again, because we don't want to cross thread it at this stage. Okay, don't do it fully up, just do it so that it's still slightly loose, so we can get the other one in on the other side. Let's just get that screwdriver in there. We made this quite difficult for ourselves. We put the riser rail very close to the shower. Okay, so we just want that one in. That one you can do up nice and tight. Then we'll come back to the front one and we'll finish that one off and do that nice and tight as well. Don't forget to replace your clear plastic tube. So once you do, just push that on, and there's a little fork there that you locate the clear plastic tube in. Okay, now all that remains is we will put the cover back on, but prior to putting the cover back on, we need to fix the fly lead into the printed circuit board. And you'll notice that on the plug there's ridges on one side and it's flat on the other side. So the flat side, as you look at it, goes towards all of the terminal block. So once that's then on, just push it in and locate it nicely, and then it's easy to fit the cover. The cover is normally held on with 3 screws, one there, the other one to the right, and one at the bottom. So 3 screws normally hold the cover on, but for this purpose we can just leave the cover as it is. Then what we'll do is restore power to the shower, turn the shower on, and as you can see, there's no water escaping from the area it was previously. So that's the change of the pressure relief device complete. We'll just wait for the shower to stop. And that's the end of the tutorial on the Triton Omnicare Thermostatic Electric Shower, how to change the pressure relief device. If you'd like to know more about the Triton Omnicare Thermostatic Electric Shower or any other shower in the Triton range, please go to the Triton website or the Triton YouTube channel.